Smartphone app control from anywhere. Lock or unlock. Share eKey, check door status and log record. 6-in-1 keyless entry smart lock. Fingerprint plus anti-peep keypad plus smartphone plus auto unlock plus shake to open plus mechanical key. Voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant. Works with IFTTT. 360 degrees live fingerprint ID. Just one touch to unlock your door with your fingerprint from any angle. Anti-peep keypad with backlight. You can type in any number of random digits, and can still gain access as long as the one correct password is embedded in the longer set of numbers. Auto unlock and auto lock. Unlocks when you arrive with your smartphone in your pocket using geofencing technology. Relocks automatically for added security and convenience. Share the access to your home remotely. Grant access to your family, guests or service people via a code or an eKey for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. DIY installation. Designed to fit any U.S. standard door, 1 3/8 to 2 inches thick. 2 1/8 inch face bore hole. No wiring and no drilling. Long battery life. Up to 8,000 times access with 4 AA batteries. Low battery alarm on the lock and smartphone app. Protect you and your data. Premium metal construction for strength and durability. 18 months electronic and lifetime mechanical. Dual data encryption makes it impossible to unlock your door without your permission. Lock type. Keypad lock. Item weight. 3 pounds. Shape. Standard. Control method. Voice. Controller type. IFTTT, Vera, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. Included components. Lock body, mounting plate, battery, screws and screwdrivers, mounting plate, Wi-Fi bridge, battery, screws and screwdrivers. Style. U-bolt.